Hello everyone, I am Shrikant. Welcome to company review session. I am going to give presentation on Mahindra and Mahindra. Why Mahindra and Mahindra? It is one of the largest vehicle manufacturers by production in India and the largest manufacturer of tractors in the world. It is about 75 years and which started as steel trading company, and now this company is into 9 sectors. The 9 sectors are automotive, agribusiness, aerospace, farm equipment, industrial equipment, finance and insurance, real estate, IT services, and two-wheeler. And my grandfather is into agriculture. He used tractors of Mahindra and Mahindra. Till now, some of our relatives are still using products of Mahindra and Mahindra. I I asked them why did they choose Mahindra and Mahindra. They gave me an answer that they are more attached to Mahindra and Mahindra and using it from really long time. And this made me choose Mahindra and Mahindra. Next, we are going to discuss about Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited is an Indian multinational vehicle manufacturing corporation. Its headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. It was established in 1945 as Mohammed and Mahindra and later renamed as Mahindra and Mahindra in the year of 1948. And we are going to discuss about company profile of Mahindra and Mahindra. It was founded in the year of 1945. Malik Ghulam Muhammad, Jagdish Chandra Mahindra, Kailash Chandra Mahindra were the founders of Mahindra and Mahindra. Anand Mahindra was the CEO and its headquarters were located in Mumbai. Mahindra Group was a parent company. BSE code 5,520. NSE code M&M. Vision: we will prove them right by believing in ourselves and by making Mahindra and Mahindra Limited known worldwide for the quality of its product and services. And mission: to create India's largest automobile and automobile related products distribution network by providing dealers and customers with the largest choice of unique work class products and services. And next we are gonna discuss about the products of Mahindra and Mahindra. Here are some products. Passenger cars: Mahindra Thar, Mahindra Xylo, Mahindra Quanto, Mahindra Bolero, Mahindra Scorpio, Mahindra Verito, Mahindra Morazzo, Mahindra XUV 300, partial CKD for Mahindra Roxor. And here are some competitors of Mahindra and Mahindra: Tata Motors, Force Motors, Ashok Leyland, Maruti Suzuki, Sonalika International, and Hyundai are the competitors of Mahindra and Mahindra. Here are the poster 5 forces analysis. Threats of new entrants. A company power is affected by the power of new entrants into its market because there is a high cost of entrance in the media and entertainment market. Huge amount of capital required including legal cost, marketing expenses, distribution cost and licensing cost, and intense marketing competition. And next, bargaining power of suppliers. A company power is also affected by bargaining power of suppliers. A profile of one of Indian pioneer multinational case helps has been completing against the traditional distributors of entertainments and media. It requires to show greater flexibility in agreement as compared to the standard organization. Few number of suppliers. Next, bargaining power of buyers. Bargaining power. The company is affected by how many buyers or customers of the company has and how significant each customer is to the company. The dynamic of media and entertainment allows the customer to have high bargaining power and they increase customer demand also. Threats of threats of substituting products or services. The hazard of replacement in the market pose moderate threats level in media and the entertainment industries. Competitors offer similar services via online streams and rental DVDs. Traditional media content providers and customer engage in leisure activities and source of information also. And next, rivalry among the existing competitors. There are few number of suppliers. Technology-based product increase dependency over suppliers. Next, we're gonna discuss about the competitive advantages. The company has strong market shares in the commercial vehicle as well as passenger vehicle segment also. Mahindra and Mahindra has a high focused R&D research and development department consistently focusing on development new products technology. Mahindra and Mahindra majorly focuses on value addition and value engineering approaches. Designing modularity used to alternate material etc. Mahindra and Mahindra SUV are suitable perfectly to Indian road condition, especially Mahindra Scorpio, which has been outstanding performance for many years. Next, to discuss about PESTEL analysis. PESTEL analysis means political, economical, social, technological, environment, legal. Here are some of the points of PESTEL analysis. And next we're gonna discuss about the awards and recognitions which are awarded for Mahindra and Mahindra. Bombay Chamber Good Corporate Citizen Award for 2016 to 2007. Business World FICCI Corporate Social Responsibilities Award 2007. The Brand Trust Report ranked Mahindra and Mahindra as India's 10th most trusted brand in the India Study 2014 survey. In from 20,000 brands analyzed, its farm equipment division received the demanding, demanding prize in 2003. Here are the financials of Mahindra and Mahindra. Revenue from operations of from 2016 to 2020. In 2016, there are 74,762, and the revenue from operation is go on increasing till 2019, and in 2020 it is decreased from 1,03,015 to 93,764 due to this COVID-19 situation. It is decreasing due to this COVID-19. And as in same total expenses 37,000 in 2016, 37,509, and it go on increasing till 2019, and again it decreasing in 2020 because of this pandemic. And here we can see the graph profit and loss after tax. Here also same. Here we can see the graph in 2016, 2017, 2018 to 19 it is increasing, but in 2020 it is decreasing due to this situation COVID-19. Next, we're gonna discuss about market shares. Market shares of Mahindra and Mahindra from 2000, from the year 2014 to 2018, it's gone increasing. By comparing to other companies like TAFE, Escort, ITL, JD, NHF, and others, Mahindra and Mahindra shares are high compared to other. And next, we're gonna discuss about CSR activities, means corporate social responsibilities. Education. As part of CSR activities, Mahindra and Mahindra has established education trust, school and college for their employees near their factories. Environment initiatives. Towards making planet Earth greener, the group has vowed to plant a 1 million tree across the nation by October 2008 under the Mahindra Hariyali initiative. Health and disaster relief. The Mahindra Foundation has been set up with a specific objective to provide medical relief to the poor and needy sections of society. The foundation has helped patients suffering from cancer, heart alignment, and well as burn victims. Art and culture. The Mahindra Excellence in Theatre Awards is the latest the Mahindra Group's efforts to encourage national theatres in two both categories, emerging theatres and established theatres. Nahikal, a project jointly managed by K. C. Mahindra and Nandi Foundation for Girl Child. Thank you.